Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you have had a great day or are about to have a great day. And if you haven't, maybe this video will make your day a little bit better. I doubt it, but I just figured that'd be a nice opening. You know, be nice to people, to the world. Positivity. As you can imagine, there's a lot going on out here at the facility. Got a lot going on at home with the cars. We got McNugget, you know, working on McNugget, trying to get some stuff done McNugget. We got Rob Zombie's, you know, being Rob Zombie, and Trojan here, and we've got Pro Stock. We got a lot going on. But first things first, why break a tradition? I like this tradition. This little bitty get me going. You knew that was coming, didn't you? Did you duck? Anybody, you guys, like juke out of the way? If you got hit, I'll know because your hair will be standing up from the static. All right, we got some stuff in the mail. I know a lot of people do or don't like the opening of the boxes. Hold on. I've already ruined this video by being ill prepared. I need, at my advanced age, I need something to see what the heck I'm doing. Lauren accidentally opened this. She thought it was for her. I got two of these. They are brass bushing cup, eBay. They're like $9 a piece shipped. So I got one for this car. Not something that makes a big difference, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna see how they fit. I have one in the FLTD, so, but we got two. We got one for, like I say, one for McNugget, and then probably maybe one for Trojan. We'll just fill all the cars in as we go. Also, keeping with that theme, we got our quick release quadrant. It's another eBay. Basically, it comes from UPR, but I got off eBay. It's I don't know, 15 bucks. This, again, keeping with our theme. I don't know why they put it in such a big box, and I'm not very good at opening it either, obviously. Wow, that's some first class packing right there. I mean, wow. We got a, oh my God. Jeez. Thanks guys. Thank you so much for this packaging job. All right, here we go. Now we're into it. Got a quick release quadrant. Boom. Big, awesome deal here. I do like to hold it in my hand and look at it though. Oh, there's a screw. All right, cool. Not the first time we've ever used one of these. Oh wow, I cut the bag. So, all right. So this will be our, for Trojan, quick release firewall adjuster and the bushing cup. We're going to take the cable out of Teresa's car, and we'll be on our way since it's technically not running at the moment. And then at some point I'll have to replace all stuff. Now we're getting to the, what I guess I would call the good stuff, because I'm kind of curious about how this is going to look. Thank you for that bag. Now you may remember here recently, we technically got this very product. Wow, they have done a great job on this. Oh, there we go. We basically got this very product. It is, wow, a set of spherical ends. Don sent us a set of these. We have got a set of them. We used one of them in the rear. It's in Krusty. So rather than take all that apart, I just ordered another set. These were on sale. I think they were a little bit over, like, I think they were $55. So Teresa, if you're watching this is why we had to get the 2 for $6 from McDonald's. So these were a pretty good deal. I just wanted to do these for Trojan. And here's the other thing. Because Trojan has stock upper stuff. And I do like to have the adjustability up top to set the pinion angle and stuff. So I am curious to see what this looks like. Oh wow, very fancy. Okay, these are the finest upper control arms that China has to offer. Well, there we go. And then it has, one of the things, and it's kind of a love-hate thing, I guess, is that it does have a solid sleeve that goes all the way through it. And then it also has spacers on the side to take up, well, the machining on these is a little bit, we'll have to grease that up a little bit to get it and hammer it all together, I guess. There we go. So it'll be like this. But I'm okay with it because it had the sleeve in it, and I figured, you know, the bolt is going to pull the whole thing rather than like the baseline stuff that we're going to put on Rob Zombie. Even though Rob isn't going to be strong enough to, I think, really hurt it. So, but this gives us adjustability. These were on sale as well for the mind-boggling expense of $80. So I didn't feel bad about it. I wanted to buy these and try them to just see because, you know, for 80 bucks, I mean, you can't like hardly find used ones that are adjustable. And these are doubles. So now I can adjust, I can put these in, I can adjust the pinion angle and stuff. And plus it'll be solid up top, which, you know, that's not a bad thing either. Well, there you go. We probably just wasted 4 minutes opening a bunch of boxes, but we did get stuff. We got our stuff that's gonna hopefully get our clutch pedal off the floor a little bit, and or at least if it isn't off the floor, it's not because the quadrant has run out of adjustment, stuff like that. We'll be able to physically adjust it, and we're gonna technically finish off our rear suspension, so that's good too. But we're not going to work on that right now. We've got other things to work on. So I guess on this one, we'll see you in the next clip. It'll probably be me cursing about taking the quadrant out. I feel like I'm doing all the jobs that I don't like to do, like torque box kits, quadrants. I'm doing them, like it seems like I'm doing a bunch of them here in a short period of time, and that kind of sucks. But that's the way it goes. First your money, and then you close. Test and tip. All right, see you guys next clip.
Well, I haven't started yet, but now I did. Action. Please excuse the way he looks. He's a mess. He just got off work.
Well, I was working on the car too.
Well, you made it sound like you didn't.
Well, I really just wanted to take a shower and get it. We got something in the mail.
Ollie's
Probably
eating.
not somebody wanting to buy our house.
No, Ollie's eating in the video. Is he eating the green?
Oh, we got some cat food's hard to come by now for some reason, like dry stuff. So
inexpensive cat food.
Well, they don't get the good stuff.
No.
They get regular. But anyway, so we bought some cheap, like special kitty.
Not we.
I know what this is.
That was a really long O.
Things go well, I might be showing her my O face. Oh, oh, oh. You know what I'm talking about. Oh.
I know what this is. This is from Don. He said he was looking at this. I know what this is. Holy crap. I know exactly what this is.
Oh.
Oh, did you send me a picture of that?
Well,
No.
This is one he's looking at, but this is the real.
That's right. I had to measure your head.
This is Brandsy New.
Did we put that in a video?
Where I measured my head?
Yeah.
Where you measured it? I don't think so.
I think that's why we measured it. Oh,
You get some of this.
oh my gosh.
That's right. You better recognize this. deal right here. Holy crap. I can't figure out how to work
I
it.
hope it fits.
It feels... Yeah, it's kind of tight, but it'll wear in.
Can you slim up your head? You can't lose any more hair. You don't have much hair up there, so I don't think that's going to help. Keep doing that.
Well, you know, my other helmet I've had for 20 years. So
Pretty ugly. Yeah, it's pretty ugly.
It'll take a little while to, like, for this to break in.
Yeah, no, that one's much better looking.
Do what?
That's much better looking.
Yeah, my other one's kind of beat up.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty cool. This is awesome, though. I look like Captain America. So, thanks, Dawn. This thing is
Call you
really
Cap.
neat. This is awesome.
Your new nickname, Cap.
I can fight Dr. Fear now. I don't know what I'm doing, but... Dawn, thanks. This
You're
thing
gonna
is-
turn around like, there you go. So you can see it on.
I feel like, you know what I feel
I didn't
like?
get your arms in the
I
picture,
feel
but
like,
in the
well,
camera.
I feel
Let's
like
go do it
those,
again.
one of the rabbits. Remember on the video game when you would modify them?
Oh yeah, and they
stood
would
there
do
like
them
this?
do that. Yeah.
I kinda-
You act like them too, though.
I'm gonna have to put a clip of them in
Yes.
there.
Yes,
You
you
can,
are.
it's okay to admit that you love that game.
Oh, I do.
Like I say, it's a little tight, but it'll...
Don't break it.
Baby. That thing is rad looking. Holy mackerel.
Don't eat the Cheerios.
Dawn, thanks a lot. That thing is totally cool.
Oh, whoops. I was you when you said that. Sorry. Not very good at
Between you
this.
and Dr. Fear. I don't know. That thing is rad, though. The first time I bounced off a full board where I missed a gear, I'll be like, oh, sorry, my bad. All right, thanks, Dom. That is super rad. Looks like Evil Knievel. And this thing. Teresa's making all kinds of funny faces back there. All right, you want to put it on?
How do you put that on? Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're a natural.
How does that fit your head?
It'll wear in. You're. Oh, Jesus, Henry. Maybe he needs a helmet. You look like Kazoo. Or Marvin the Martian. No, you look like Kazoo. Look at you. All right, the dogs are... She just got home, so the dogs are all excited to see her. Henry's like, look at me, look at me. All right, Dawn. you look hilarious in that thing. I mean, you look like a total natural. Yeah, you're doing the rabbits thing, too.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Don. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next clip. Your face. We're going to call that a wrap. I know it's just a bunch of box opening, but we got parts for Trojan. I know we get on one car, then we move to another car, and we go back to a car. But we got stuff going on with Trojan. Unfortunately, Brad's not going to be able to make it. They just don't have a test and tune. As a matter of fact, they're not having a test and tune until March the 3rd. So they got some kind of nothing going on this weekend. They got some kind of grudge race thing going on next weekend. I asked about a test and tune. They said no. So there we go. So our next test and tune will be March. I think it's March the 3rd. So we're hoping to have it up there, this up here, up there. We'll just have to see where we're at. We're trying to get Rob ready for dyno, but if he doesn't make it, then this would definitely be a candidate. So anyway, once again, I want to thank Don for the helmet. That's really cool. We certainly appreciate it. It looks pretty awesome. Yeah, I'll definitely, you'll be able to tell it's me in there. So I guess that's it. We're gonna try and get the suspension stuff on it before we go up there. We got some other stuff going on with Trojan. You'll see that in another video. But thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing, smashing that like button, and sharing, and all the other nonsense that you don't have to do. We don't need you to do or whatever. So thanks for supporting the channel in all the ways you guys do. We couldn't do it without you, and we certainly wouldn't want to. But especially, as always, Thanks for watching. And until next time, a substandard leader and Fox Body videos on this here YouTube channel. This man's YouTube, I should say. This 1 year only Lincolns, 4 drag vans, and as always, fighting a good fight against Dr. Fear and still screwing up the outro 500 videos later. We'll see you guys in the next video.